guys, it's 𝐿𝐿 and I am back with another video. Y'all, so today's video is basically going to be a little unboxing with me. I just got back to my college apartment today, like this afternoon. I literally left around like 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm super tired and exhausted, but I have to get this video done for you guys because I just have to. But I'm honestly so excited to make this video. And so yeah, we're basically just gonna be opening up my packages that I received during my winter break. Also, a lot of these products I do have codes for, so you guys can get discounts on pretty much everything that I'm gonna be showing you guys, and all my codes will be in the description down below. So make sure to go take a look in my description after you're done watching and save those codes so you guys can get money off on your orders. But without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So our first package that we're gonna be opening, I already opened, sorry y'all, but it is this wig right here from Eeps. I think that's how you pronounce it. If you guys know the company Lovely Wholesale, their parent company is basically launching a new wig brand called Eeps, and I think it's launching on January 28th. What's today? Today's the 23rd, so yeah, it's launching on the 28th. And they sent me one of their wigs to try out. This wig right here is the Body Wave 13x4 lace 22-inch 180 density wig. And honestly y'all, I wanted to put it on for this video so I could like really show you guys the quality of this hair, because I think this is my new favorite wig. The hair is super soft, it literally does not shed, the lace is clearly invisible, stop playing. And yeah, I'm just super obsessed with this hair. So make sure y'all go set a reminder for January 28th and go get your new wig. I highly recommend Eeps. I'm literally obsessed with this wig. This is definitely my new favorite black wig. And there is a code that they gave me for you guys. So once again, make sure to go look in my description after you're done watching and get that code so you can get your discount, girl. Okay, our next package is from 𝐻𝐿, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe these are my customized lash strips. And I'm super excited because the girl that makes these lash strips, they literally look just like lash extensions. And I'm just so excited because I've never gotten lash extensions. Like, I've only done like the beauty supply, like kind of lash extensions that they sell there or whatever. But I love my lash strips, so I really wanted a pair that looked like lash extensions. And she makes them, so yeah, we're gonna see how they look. No freaking way. It comes with a little like lollipop. That is so cute. Okay, let's open this up. So it comes with this, comes with these. So this is a thank you card. It comes with a lash care card. It tells you how to care for your lashes. And this is her business card. And then on the back, there's a QR code. I'm not gonna lie, I love how she includes a lash care card because I feel like it's super important to know how to care for your lashes. And yeah, it's just super cute. It tells you literally exactly what to do. Oh, I just like actually read it. It says the do's and don'ts. So yeah, this is like super important because I definitely did not know any of this. But now let's open the lashes. Y'all, I'm literally so excited. I'm debating whether I should put them on in this video and then just keep them on. Ah! First of all, look how cute the case is. Are you kidding? I'm so excited. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. Yeah, I need to put these on. So these are the lashes. They're super cute, yeah. They came with like 2 pairs of lashes. So I don't know if you're supposed to wear them like on top of each other, like double them, but I put the ones on that had the little pink strips. And yeah, I told her she could be a little creative, you know, whatever she wanted to do, like I'll promote for her. So that's why she did the little pink for me. But let me come closer. Yeah, they're super cute. I love them. Shout out to her. I'm honestly just gonna keep the lashes on. So yeah. But moving on, we're gonna open this package. I believe this is Lovely Wholesale, and they sent me some clothes. So first we have this super cute sweatshirt. It says Daydream. This is super soft, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. But this is so cute. What size is this? I believe this is a size medium. There's no tag on it, but I'm pretty sure this is a medium. And I'm gonna try it on for y'all. I moved y'all to my closet area so y'all can see better. But this is how it fits. It's so cute. I love the like nude color, and it's literally so soft. Like, I'm in love with this quality. So next we have this sweatshirt, and then these black sweatpants. Just a cute little black on black moment. And I love like plain sweatsuits, so yeah, but I'm gonna try it on for y'all. So this is how it fits. It's super cute. It's super warm, and it's very thick, so highly recommend. You know, this is really cute just for like if you need to go to the store, run some errands. And I'm loving it with my black hair right now. I feel like it goes so cute with it. So next we have this set. Hold on, let me know y'all. Next we have this set, and it is a little bit see-through, so I'm gonna just have to censor it a little bit. I literally love sets like this. They're so comfortable, and it's nice and fitted. I believe I got this in a small because I wanted it to be nice and fitted on me. I have one like this in gray, but it's short sleeve, and that one is also super cute. So, and these are really cheap sets, y'all. Lovely Wholesale is literally known for like dupes and cheap and affordable sets like this. So definitely go in my description and click that link and get yourself a set, because these are my new favorites. Last but not least, we have this super freaking cute jumpsuit. I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm trying to cover up because it is a little bit see-through, and I'm not trying to get my video taken down. But look how freaking cute this is. It's super comfortable. Super good quality, super comfortable. It does feel really thin, but at the same time it has a good thick quality. But yeah, this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. And I'm loving the all white because I don't really wear too much all white, so yeah, the white is giving for me right now. Also, yeah, don't mind my Hello Kitty Christmas stuff. I know it's not Christmas time no more, but I'm gonna put it away. So while I'm here standing up, we're about to open this next package. I'm so excited for this. So these items are from 𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿, and this is their little card. It says, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself," and that is facts. But let's get straight into the try-on haul. So this is the first piece, and yeah, I'm literally so obsessed with this. Oh my god. This is so freaking cute. I keep saying everything is so freaking cute, but everything is literally so freaking cute. Like, come on. Are you kidding? This is literally snatching me the heck up. This is my first time kind of getting like a shapewear, like leotard thing, because I've never really tried one, but this one is so comfortable. And I'm not gonna lie, it was hard to put on, but I think that's because I got a small because I just wanted it to be like very fitted. But this size is honestly perfect for me. And yeah, it definitely feels like really nice and snug. Next is this new dress, and yeah, oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with this dress. This is so freaking cute. I don't really see myself with nude all the time, so it's like very different for me, but I'm honestly loving it right now. And it's super comfortable. It definitely fits nice and snug, like the leotard. I'm loving this right now. And in the bottom, if you guys can see, it's like see-through down here, so it's a little contrast or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is super cute. The back is definitely see-through, so I'm not even gonna bother turning around. But yeah, super cute. So our last clothing item for this video is this sweatsuit, and there's nothing I love more than a velvet sweatsuit. It's literally giving juicy couture, and these are bell bottoms, so they flare out on the bottom. and I don't know, it's just super cute. This is definitely something I would wear to like go to the store, run some errands, and yeah, I love this. Yeah, oh my god, I literally thought I was done with the try on haul, but I forgot I have one more outfit, so let's go back to my closet. So this set is from Annabelle's Vault. Yeah, I think this might be my favorite two-piece set in this video because I don't know, this color is it for me. Like, y'all know my favorite color is pink, and this pink is just pinking right now. But this is their little card thing. It's so cute. It says your order made my day. You're gonna look so pretty. And I love brats, so that's just a plus. And I don't know, this outfit goes so good with my lashes too. Yeah, this is super cute. It's nice and fitted. The pants are super comfortable. Yeah, I love this. This makes me feel like just fresh, and I don't know how to explain it, but I just want to spray some perfume and go somewhere. And then look at the little heart. Like, how cute is that? Literally so freaking cute. I can finally sit down. So next, let's open this package. Damn, I really like scissors. Hopefully this razor works. It's the little Hello Kitty razor. It's so freaking cute. So this, oh my god, yes, this is my Blanca straightener. It's a flat iron, and let's open it because I want to see. The lady that contacted me for it said that it has a bunch of like settings, so let's see. So looking at the back of the box, it says wide temperature settings, comes with 5 temperature settings ranging from 320 Fahrenheit to 460 Fahrenheit. And it says perfect for styling your curly hair efficiently. Then it says safe design, comes with safety lock, 30 minutes auto shutdown. Ceramic floating plates, heats up evenly and prevents hair tangling, glides smoothly on your hair to achieve shiny and sleek finish at ease. Then PTC heating, 2 times faster, maintains stable heat. So I guess this is a really good flat iron, y'all. Oh my god, this is probably the biggest flat iron I've ever seen. It's literally so long. This is how it looks. So the little safety lock thing is right here in the bottom. You just twist it to unlock it and then twist it again to lock it. These are the degrees. And yeah, this is super cute. It's actually really big. If you want to see how it works and how it flat irons your hair, go on my TikTok because I'll definitely be making a TikTok video using this flat iron. And it also came with this cute little case and a glove. And now I'm gonna open our last package of this video. This is from Wiggins Hair. So this is how it looks straight out of the box. Yeah, I'm so excited for this hair. But first, ooh, so it comes with all this stuff in here. It comes with 2 pairs of 3D lashes. This is a little like band. It comes with an elastic, a lace band, an edge brush, a wig cap, and a cute little bag for the wig. Yeah, it comes with so much stuff. I'm honestly shocked that it comes with this much stuff, but super cute. But now for the hair. So this is a blonde with brown highlights, body wave 13x4 lace front wig. I believe this is 22 inches. If you look close, you could see that it goes from like a light brown to a dark brown. The curls are super tight, so I know this is gonna be so cute when like I loosen them up. This is the lace. This is definitely something that I've never tried before, so I'm super excited to give it a go. And yeah, this is so freaking cute. And if you guys want to see me install both of these wigs, definitely go to my TikTok, follow my TikTok at DJ Diamond, because I post way more on there. And yeah, you'll see everything, all of my hauls, my install videos, so go to my TikTok. Hey y'all, so it's actually the next day. I literally just got out the shower and I'm getting ready to go to bed. But I got a package this morning, and so I was like, I figured I'd just record a clip of it and add it in this video. So it's from I Like Hair. comes with this really cute bag. It comes with a wig cap, an elastic band, and then it comes with these cute little hair clips and edge brush. This clip is super cute. It comes with a rat tail comb, and then this is the wig. So this is a 22-inch Hyperrealism Kinky lace frontal wig with an HD lace. Literally the lace, you cannot even see it underneath my hand right now. And if you look closely, the edges are very natural. This is an extremely natural wig. And honestly, I'm so excited to try this wig on because I've never had this textured wig, and it's definitely gonna give super natural. Like, look at that. And it's super duper soft, and as I'm combing through it with my fingers, it's not shedding at all. But that was all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I was so excited to record it for you guys. And my last unboxing video kind of blew up, so I know you guys really like those. But make sure to leave a comment down below of any video suggestion you have for me. I definitely plan to do way more videos like this, and I want to do some more installs and just everything you guys want from me. So definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what my next video should be. As I said in the beginning of this video, make sure you look in my description down below and save all of those codes so you can get discounts on most of the items that I showed in this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching.
I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let them waste it.